Guys, I'm on my compressor change out from a few months ago, and I have some sad news. Have our ICM kit here. I've taken it apart so I can test the start capacitor here. Not quite sure what rating it's supposed to be, but 0 is what or open line is what I'm getting. So it has gone bad already. It's only a few months old. So those of you who were excited along with me about a USA made start kit, it's very sad. Here's what the inside looks like. Has a little circuit board, so kind of disappointing. So I don't know if you could put this onto a different start kit and it would work or not. I have no idea. But just kind of sad. I guess I'm going back to 521s. A little disappointing.